How to fix Roblox error code 264. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application. Now search for Roblox and make sure you have an updated version of the application. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Roblox application. So we're going to go back and make a long press on Roblox application, which gives us the option of app info. So select on that. As I select on app info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. So select on that. Now if it's possible, you can delete all data. That will delete your files, databases, accounts, settings and so on. If not, you can just clear the cache, but I'm going to delete all data. And as I do that, now you can just relaunch the Roblox application and this might help you fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.